I wanted to talk a little bit about this Echo backpack blower. It's a PB8010H, and there's also a T model. The H is for this little gizwidget right here. It's got this is your throttle control. It's over here. I think the H stands for hip, and the T, I believe, is for the where the throttle's on the handle on your wand, like the old style. I like the blower. I just got it yesterday. I ran one tank through, blowing sand around. A couple things that I'm not real happy with is this. Way down deep in the owner's manual, I see that you can't run this thing below 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, where I live, by God, it gets a lot colder than that, and that's kind of when I need to use it. And I don't know why. They said something about the fuel lines might be a problem. The only thing I can see wrong with the fuel lines is these cheesy little plastic 90 elbows that they use there. Might break. I don't know if that's the problem that they're worried about or what, but I'm not real happy about that. And the tube is too short. This steel right here is plenty flexible. It's nice, but it needs to have some wire in it so it doesn't kink, kind of like a radiator hose. And the wand's too short. I'm 6'2", and so I'm a little gangly and kind of long-armed, and I can't swing this both ways. I have to walk sideways one way, and I can walk forward the other way, so that's inconvenient. So if they just lengthen that out about another 6 inches or so, it'd fit us tall guys. And then the way they have the back strap shoulder pads, shoulder straps, they kind of fall off to the side, and so you can't keep them on your shoulders. They need to be suspended up like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try crossing this over to here, crisscrossing them. Otherwise, I guess I'll have to do like the little kids do when they tie on their mittens and run a string from here to hold it on there. Other than that, it blows good. I got it started. I filled it up with fuel, and good fuel, and I followed the directions. I pumped it, pumped the fuel primer bulb actually I went about 20 times to make sure I had all the air out of there. And then I choked it, and by God, she fired on the third pull, so I was pretty happy about that. Anyway, hope this helps. Good luck with your unit if you get one. I think you'd probably be happy as long as you don't worry about running it in the cold too much. I don't know. Okay, goodbye. Got a couple more things to visit with you about. When you get your backpack blower, you'll get one of these little white discs, and you'll wonder what the heck it's for. Well, this is your air induction that helps keep your back cool during the summer. Well, in the winter, of course, you don't really want that. So this little insert is designed to go in there to slow some of that down and prevent some of your body heat loss. So that just kind of pops in there, and I went ahead and wrote on there that it needs to come off, because I or the next guy will forget or not realize that needs to come out for summer use. And the way you get in there is you just pop this back pad off, and it's held in with the little plastic push pins, just so you know. So put those back in there. There's 3 of them total. And 3. Also, as I mentioned earlier, the way these back straps were rigged up, it continued to fall off my shoulder. So I mentioned I was going to cross these, and I have done that, and it works beautiful now. Now they're not. Now it's not always falling off my shoulder. So anyway, good luck. Hope this helps.